I'm here at Culver's. I got some mushroom Swiss burger from Culver's, and that's it. At Culver's, I got French fries and what is it? Got some Coca-Cola and a mushroom Swiss burger right here. There's like Aldi over there, and Taco Bell over there, Autoson. So, okay, I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go to the thrift store. So, see you later.